Welcome to this fifth lesson of this Visual Basic program. In today's lesson, we will cover the topic of Visual Basic Operators. Visual Basic provides the following types of operators. We have the arithmetic operators. The arithmetic operators perform familiar calculations on numeric values. Then we have the concatenation operators, and these operators join multiple strings into a single string. Comparison operators compare two expressions and return a Boolean value representing the result of comparison. Then lastly, we have logical and bitwise operators, and these operators combine Boolean or numeric values and return a result to the same data type as the values. In our program, we will learn about arithmetic, concatenation, and comparison operators. And in today's lesson, we will cover the topic of arithmetic operators. I have Visual Studio open. I have already started a project and I named it Visual Basic Arithmetic Operators. I have the following here. I have all these buttons, and for each button I have a text. For instance, here the text for this button is addition, then the name is BTN addition. Sorry, I'm gonna make sure it's BTN. Alright, so it's BTN addition. Here subtraction, so the name is BTN subtraction and the text is subtraction, and I did that for everything here. Alright, so let's double click in the addition button to create a click event. Alright, and now we are going to start working with the arithmetic operators. It is very easy to perform math calculations in Visual Basic. You can perform the math calculations on variables or actual numbers. Alright, let's see how we can perform calculation on actual numbers. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna come here and I'm gonna say dim my number as integer equals 5 plus 6. Okay, so this is how you perform the addition, by using the operator plus, the plus sign. Okay, so what I did here, I added 5 plus 6 and the result will be assigned to the variable my number. Okay, in order to view this, I'm gonna say message box that show alright, so I'm gonna say the result is okay, and my number. Okay, and we're going to come here and do addition. That's the title of the message box. Okay, let's run this. When I click here, you will see message box with the result 5 plus 6, 11. That's it, and there it is. So the result is 5 plus 6, 11, which is here in the variable my number, and this is the addition. This is the title that I gave my message box. It's right here. So okay, let's close this. Now, to perform addition by using actual variables, we can do this. We say dim my first num as integer. Okay, and we're gonna say equals, for example, 8. Dim my second number as integer. and we will say equals 4. Okay, and we're gonna say message box dot show. We're gonna say the same thing. The result is, and we're gonna calculate the variables themselves. So we're gonna say my first number plus my second number. Alright, and that should do it. Okay, I'm just gonna remove the 1 here because I already said my first number. I don't need the 1 here. Let's see here. Okay, let's comment this out first. Okay, I'm going to click the start, and when I click the addition, we should see 8 plus 4 equals 12. We should see the number 12. Alright, the result is 12. Alright, that's how we perform the addition in Visual Basic. Now let's take a look how we perform subtraction in Visual Basic. I'm gonna come right here, choose the button subtraction. This is another way to create events. You do not have to go to the form and double click on the button. You can do it from here, and I'm gonna go to load, click event right here, and there it is. So I'm gonna say dim my num as integer equals 10, and I'm gonna say dim my num1 as integer equals 5, for example, and I'm gonna say dim r as integer equals my num minus my num1. And this is how we perform subtraction. So the subtraction is performed in Visual Basic by using the operator minus that you see here, the minus sign. Okay, let's say message box that show, and we're going to say the result is, alright, and we're gonna come here and say R, and we're going to say subtraction for this one as a title. Subtraction. This is the title of our message box. Okay, let's run this. I'm gonna come here now. When I click the subtraction, I should see 10 minus 5, that's 5, and the result is 5 with the subtraction title. And there it is. The result is 5. The subtraction title is right here. Okay, that's easy. So now we're going to do the same for the multiplication. So I'm gonna come here and say btn multiplication, click event, click, and there it is. Okay, let me take it further down here, and I'm gonna copy paste this code and throw it here, and let's put number 3 here and number 6 here. Okay, and to perform the multiplication in Visual Basic, we use the asterisk symbol. We do not use the X as you may think. We use the asterisk symbol to perform the multiplication in Visual Basic. And here I'm gonna change the title and say multiplication. Okay, so 3 times 6, that's 8. That's what we should see in as a result in the box, the message box. Okay, let's run this. I'm gonna click here, and the result is 18, multiplication. Okay, I'm gonna copy this code, come to here and choose the division button and create a click event for it. Okay, I'm gonna paste the code. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna change this actually. I'm gonna turn it to a double because I want to see the decimal points, and I'm gonna turn this to a double, and I'm gonna turn the result to a double as well. Okay, and to perform division in Visual Basic, we use the forward slash. This is the operator that we use in Visual Basic to perform division. So the forward slash is used instead of colon. Okay, don't use colon to perform division. You use the forward slash. Okay, and here I'm going to say division for the title of the message box. Let's do 20 divided by 5. We should see 4. All right, let's run this, bring it here, and I'm gonna click division, and the result is 4, division in the title. Okay, let's do 20 divided by 6. Should be 3.3, something like that. Okay, let's run this and click on the division, and there it is, 3.3333. Okay, then we're gonna say okay, and this is how to perform the division. Okay, next thing, we're going to work with exponents in Visual Basic, and to do that we come here, we're going to choose the btn exponentiation, click event, and I'm going to say dim my num as double equals 5 raised to the 3rd power. Okay, and I'm gonna copy this here, the message box, and throw it here, and I'm going to say here my num, and instead of division I'm gonna say exponentiation. Okay, so 5 raised to the 3rd power should be 125. Let's take a look, see if this is correct. Exponentiation, and there it is. The result is 125. That's good, it's working. Let's change it, maybe 5 squared should be 25. Let's take a look again, and that is 25. Good. All right, the last thing we have is the mod, and basically the mod is the remainder of a division. When we divide two numbers, the remainder of that division is called the mod. So let's do the following. I'm gonna copy this. Okay, I'm gonna come here and say btn mod. Okay, click event. Okay, and I'm gonna copy this, and here I'm going to say 10 mod. This is how we perform the mod calculation in Visual Basic, by typing mod like this. And I forgot to tell you about this. This is what we use. This is the operator we use for exponentiation in Visual Basic, and for the mod we type mod. So 10 mod 2 should return 0 because there is no remainder in this one. Let's come here and 0, that's good. Okay, let's throw maybe number 4, and here we should have 2 as remainder. Let's take a look, and that is correct. And if we, for example, do another number, let's do 12 mod 5, same, it's gonna be 2, because 5 times 2 is 10, and the remainder is 2 here, so that's 2 as well. Alright, okay, this is how we work with Visual Basic Arithmetic Operators, and with this we come to the end of this lesson. I thank you for watching, and you have a good day.